I worked very, very hard in the food service industry for 40 years. I'm retired now. I started to get tremendous pain, constant pain, chronic pain in my shoulder and my hand, some nerve damage to some fingers, and I was in pain all the time. And I went to Dr. Burstein, and he said I needed to do an MRI. I was seeing him for lower back condition, and he was treating me with medication instead of surgery. And the MRI discovered 4 herniated discs. It's in my, what they call cervical spine, above the shoulders, and I had to have them fused together. I am in wonderful shape. That's why I asked to actually do a testimonial for Dr. Vaynman, because I think he's magnificent. I have better results than most people. I have some close family members in the medical industry, and one chiropractor, and I love him dearly. He's my brother-in-law, and he said, "Frankie, I've been telling people not to go to surgery for 35 years. Run to Dr. Vaynman and get on his list for surgery, because you must have surgery." So that's exactly what Vaynman said, and he doesn't love me, and Michael does, and I'm glad I listened to them both. We went ahead with the surgery in November, and surgery was done in 2 parts. The front exposure and then a back surgery 2 days later in the back of my neck, and recovery was a couple of weeks, one in the hospital and one in rehabilitation, and I am recovering wonderfully. I am very happy, very, very happy with my recovery. The pain is gone, and that is wonderful. So I'm wonderful. I'm back to swimming. I'm going to talk to the good doctor about some autumn golf if he thinks that's possible. So I'm doing pretty well. I'm very happy with the outcome. From my point of view, from personal experience, I would tell people to, if they suffered from what I suffered from, they know the pain, don't prolong it. Go see someone. I suggest strongly that you see Dr. Vaynman and the people in the practice there. As far as I understand, they specialize. They're neurosurgeons, but they specialize. Dr. Vaynman does cervical spine. There's people for the back, and I would say run to them. As far as I'm concerned, he's magic, so it's wonderful. I'm completely satisfied with his services.